Hello and welcome to creativenerds.co.uk. Today we've just got a quick tip to share with you on how to create a Chrome text effect using Photoshop. Okay, so let's start off by creating a new document. So we're going to head over to File, New, and then we're going to set a width of 800 pixels and a height of 600 pixels, and then select OK. So a new canvas will open up. We're going to zoom in. So we're going to start off by grabbing the type tool, and all we're going to do is type out some random text, and ensure the text size is about 169. For the sake of tutorial, we're going to use creative as a text. Then we're going to grab the rectangle tool, in fact even the paint bucket tool, and change the foreground colour to black. Select the OK button, select a new layer, and we're going to fill that new layer with black with the paint bucket tool, and move that layer behind the type we just typed in. We're going to center the text into the middle of the document, and then going to head over to the type layer and right click on it and select blending options. Okay, so we're going to select the drop shadow, and we're going to set the foreground color to black, the shadow color. We're going to ensure the blend is multiply. An angle of 120, so that's the same. We want the distance to be 3. We want the spread to be 0 and the size to be 6. And then we're going to head over to the next option, which is inner shadow, and we're going to keep the blend mode as multiply and the color as black, but we're going to change the opacity down to 56% and keep an angle of 120. We're going to change the distance to 8. We're going to change the spread to 0, so that stays the same, sorry. And then we're going to add the size to 12. And then we're going to head over to the contour. We want the contour to be cone, the second option to choose from. And then we're going to head over to color overlay. The blend mode is going to be normal, and the color is going to be white, which is basically 6Fs. And select the OK button. And then we're going to keep the opacity at 60%. Take it to 60. And then we're going to head over to bevel and emboss. And we're simply just going to go change the style to inner bevel, so that remains the same. We want the technique to be smooth, the depth to be 81%, direction will be off, the size 5, soften 0, so everything pretty much stays the same. And then we're going to go on to the shading, which we want an angle of 120, so that remains the same, and an altitude of 36. And then we're going to change the contour to ring double. Over it, we'll give you the name of each one, and this one's called ring double, so this is one that we want to select, so just going to click it. And then we're going to head over to the opacity. We want the opacity to remain at 75%. The shadow mode will remain at multiply and black, and we're just going to change the opacity to 79%. Next, we will select contour, and all we're going to do is ensure that the linear is the first linear, and then we're going to change the range to 47, and then select the OK button. There we go. We've created a simple Chrome text effect using Photoshop. Just using Photoshop styles. And now this type is editable, so you can change it around and put whatever text you want. So let me think of something. Timothy. Tim, that's my name. So put that there. Editable, you can save it and use it in other projects. You can make it bigger, smaller, change the font. It's totally up to you. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further screencasts.